So first, let's talk about cleaning and disinfecting your home. Now, just because you are staying home for an extensive period of time, it is still likely that you will have to go out to essential places such as the grocery store. So first, let's talk about cleaning methods to make sure that you don't bring the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, back home with you. According to CNN's Scotty Andrew in his 2020 article titled Tips on How to Coronavirus-Proof Your Home, a good practice is to set up a disinfecting station. Andrew says that this can be an area either outside of your home or in a room with low foot traffic where you can disinfect packaged food. For me personally, I like setting this up at a kitchen island or counter where I have plenty of room, but you can choose this option depending on what works best for you. The CNN reporter goes on to suggest disinfecting takeout boxes and packaged foods at your disinfecting station and to thoroughly wash produce before putting it in your kitchen. Andrew also recommends disinfecting everything you touch. This includes doorknobs, light switches, your keys, your phone, essentially whatever you commonly touch on a daily basis. Andrew further suggests to use EPA-approved disinfectants, such as Clorox disinfecting wipes, and certain Lysol sprays. Now, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, also known as the CDC, has also provided some helpful information on how to clean and disinfect your home. According to the CDC, in their recent 2020 article titled Cleaning and Disinfection for Households, cleaning of visibly dirty surfaces followed by disinfection is a best practice measure for prevention of COVID-19. First, let's define the difference between cleaning and disinfecting. Cleaning refers to the removal of germs, dirt, and impurities from surfaces. It does not kill germs, but by removing them, it lowers their numbers and the risk of spreading infection. Disinfecting, on the other hand, refers to using chemicals to kill germs on surfaces. This process does not necessarily clean dirty surfaces or remove germs, but by killing the germs on a surface after cleaning, it further lowers the risk of spreading infection. Now that we have defined these two terms, let's discuss some of the general recommendations provided by the CDC in this report. Now, the CDC also recommends cleaning frequently touched surfaces, but they further provide general recommendations on how to clean these surfaces. When cleaning and disinfecting hard, non-porous surfaces, wear disposable gloves, such as these. These gloves should be discarded after cleaning, and your hands should be cleaned immediately after the gloves are removed. For soft or porous surfaces, such as carpeted floors or rugs, remove visible contamination if present and clean with appropriate cleaners, and then, if possible, wash these items using the warmest appropriate water setting. For electronics, such as cell phones, remote controls, or keyboards, follow the manufacturer's instructions for which disinfectant products to use. However, if this information is not available, consider using alcohol-based wipes or sprays containing at least 70% of alcohol to disinfect these touchscreens. Lastly, the CDC recommends washing your hands often with soap and water for 20 seconds. However, if soap and water are not available and hands are not visibly dirty, then hand sanitizer, which contains at least 60% of alcohol, may be used. Now, key times to clean your hands includes after removing gloves, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, after using the restroom, before eating or preparing food, after contact with animals, and before and after providing care for another person, such as a child. Other preventative actions that may also be taken include avoiding touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands, as this is the common way that germs spread. All of these recommendations can help to keep you and your family safe during this pandemic. Now let's turn to Randy Abate to discuss some key supplies to stock up on at this time.